y'all. Mm, yeah, Brad's in the hood. Make some noise for Brad Boatman. Make some noise for Brad Boatman. Make some noise for Brad Boatman. He from Okehman, Oklahoma. He from Okehman, Oklahoma. He was born and raised in Okehman. He had a beautiful mom named Pat Boatman back in the day. And anyway, he's in this hood. He still is in this hood now. Anyway, Brad Boatman, he's in this hood. Make some noise for Brad Boatman. 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 He's still in the hood. He's in the hood. He doesn't like this. He gets on. He he's Peter Ritter Brown. He's in the hood. That's what he doesn't like this. He can do it like that. That's what he done it like this. He's on it. He just gets in the stage like that. When he goes there, he does it like this. That's how we done it like this. Brad Boatman. Make some noise for 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 Brad Boatman. He's in this hood. He's in the hood. He's in this hood. He's still in this hood. He's in the hood. Make some noise for Brad Boatman. 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 He run the town. He done the town. He been all over the world. Now he lives in Stillwater, Oklahoma. He been around in Boley, Oklahoma anyway. With CND, Caesar, Brian Caesar, same thing. He's in this hood too anyway. That's how he done it like this. He ain't done it like any type of style like that. Make some noise for Brad Boatman. 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 He's in this hood. He's in this hood. He's in this hood. He's in this hood. He's in the hood. He's in this hood. Make some noise for Brad Boatman. 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 He's in the hood. He's in this hood. He's in the hood. He's in this hood. He's in the hood. He's in this hood. And we out of here, y'all.